Let's go! Tayo, 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 Tayo. He's a friendly little bus. Speeding up, slowing down. Tayo always loves to run. Tayo, 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 Tayo. He's a friendly little bus. Speeding up, slowing down. Tayo's always having fun. Bumpy or smooth, windy or straight. He's not scared of anything ahead. Even when it's dark and scary, he's not alone. With his friends, there is nothing here to dread. Tayo, 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 Tayo. He's a friendly little bus. Speeding up, slowing down. Tayo always loves to run. Tayo, 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 Tayo. He's a friendly little bus. With his friends by his side, smiling in the sun. It's a brand new day today. Let's have some fun.
Rogi's Hiccups.
It's a beautiful morning. Rogi overslept and is heading to the repair shop now.
Hana!
Oh, Rogi, did you just get up?
Yep, I start work in the afternoon today. Huh? What's all that?
Huh? Oh, I picked up new engine oil for you guys. This new oil will really boost your engine strength.
Wow! Can I have some, please?
Not yet. You have to wait for the others.
But I want it now.
They're going to be here soon. Just wait.
Hana!
Oh?
Hana! There's something wrong with the video training screen.
Really? Let's go take a look. I'll be back in a minute, Rogi.
Oh. Okay, here we go.
See you later! Huh?
Okay. Thank you, Hana.
No problem. Huh? Now where did I leave that engine oil? I can't see it anywhere.
La 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 la. Maybe I drank too much.
Oh, Rogi must have drunk all of the engine oil.
I ended up drinking all 4 of them. I hope it's okay.
He didn't leave any engine oil for his friends.
It did boost my energy, just like Hana said it would.
Oh?
Hello, I'm Rogi, the super bus.
A super bus?
You're a funny bus.
Nice to meet you, Superbus.
Here we go, everyone. La 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 la. Huh? I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. What should I do? It won't stop.
Oh my!
You're hardly a super bus.
You're not a Superbus. You're a blooper bus.
I'm so sorry. You'll have to take the next bus.
Huh? Isn't that Rogi? What's going on? Rogi?
Hi, Tayo.
Is something wrong?
What do you mean? No, nothing's wrong.
Really? Oh, well, that's good.
I'll catch you later.
Huh? Oh, Hiccups?
Rogi rushed back to the garage because of his hiccups.
Maybe it's because of all the engine oil I drank. What should I do?
Oh, hi, Rogi.
Hi, Hana.
Welcome back. You look tired.
No, I'm okay.
Hey, Rogi,
Yeah?
Have you seen the engine oil I showed you? I can't seem to remember where I left it.
I haven't seen it.
Really? Phew, where did I leave it? Huh? Oh? What was that?
It was nothing. I was just,
Huh?
Rogi!
You done with work?
Yes, I am. So are you feeling better?
Huh?
Well, it seemed like your hiccups were pretty bad. I saw everything.
Come to think of it, weren't you just hiccuping?
No, I'm okay now.
Let's go over to the repair shop so I can take a look.
Huh?
No, it's okay. You don't have to do that. I feel fine, really.
See, you're hiccuping again.
That wasn't a hiccup. That was a burp.
Rogi, it might happen when you're working, so let me take a look.
But I feel fine.
Oh, come on now.
I'm really okay.
Go on.
I'm in trouble. Now she's gonna find out. Oh no, what should I do?
Is Rogi okay?
I don't see anything wrong with him.
I'm so glad.
See? I told you I was okay.
Huh?
Just in case, I think you should take a break from work tomorrow.
Huh? But I'm feeling fine.
No, you have to think about the safety of your passengers.
Yeah, Rogi. You should take a day off.
Okay.
Tayo, isn't it your day off tomorrow? Could you work in Rogi's place?
Sure.
Sorry for the trouble.
Oh, it's okay. You know I like going out to work.
You should both get ready to go to sleep.
Okay. Good night, Hannah.
See you tomorrow.
Good night, guys.
Taya, the little bus.
It's the next morning. There's Tayo working Rogi's route.
I wonder if Rogi's okay.
Tayo!
Hi, Nori.
Didn't you say it was your day off, Tayo?
Oh, yeah. I'm just filling in for Rogi.
Really? Why? What happened to Rogi?
Oh, well, Rogi has a case of the hiccups.
Hiccups?
Yeah, even Hana doesn't know what's wrong. Do you have any ideas?
Oh, why don't you go see Met?
Met?
Aha! He's the subway train who knows everything.
He knows everything? Do you really think he knows how to stop hiccups?
Of course. He has the answer to everything.
So, where do I go to find him?
Oh, just look for the blue bridge.
Thanks, Nori. I can't wait to tell Rogi.
Am I ever gonna stop?
Rogi!
Hi, Tayo.
Rogi, you have to come with me.
Where are we going?
To Met, the subway train. I heard he knows everything, so he'll help you stop hiccuping.
Really?
Uh-huh. Come on, let's go.
Okay.
With the help of several friends, Tayo and Rogi look for the blue bridge where they can meet Met, the subway who knows everything.
This is it, the blue bridge. He's supposed to be here somewhere.
Huh? Tayo, it's the subway train!
Huh? Oh. Excuse me, just a second.
Huh?
Hello, my name is Tayo. Are you Met, the subway who knows everything?
Knows everything? That's me. I'm the one and only Met.
Wow, we found you. I have to ask you something, sir.
Your name's Tayo? What is it that you want to ask me?
Well, we've tried everything, but my friend over there can't stop hiccuping.
Hello?
Hiccups. How long have you had it?
Since yesterday.
Yesterday. Did you by any chance eat something in secret?
No! How did he know?
Rogi is not that kind of bus.
He didn't?
Huh?
Well, that's really weird.
Tayo really trusts me. But I was greedy and drank all the engine oil.
Do you know of any way we can stop his hiccups?
To be honest, I'm not quite sure.
What? Well, I thought you knew everything.
I'm sorry, Tayo.
Well, okay. Oh,
Well, it's getting late, so you better go home now.
okay. I guess we'll see you later.
Bye.
Yeah, I should tell Tayo everything. Tayo.
Yeah?
Was I too loud?
Oh, you scared us.
How is it now?
How's what?
I mean your hiccups. Didn't they stop?
Oh, you're right!
Yay!
Woohoo! Wow, they're really gone now!
The best remedy for hiccups is always a good surprise.
That's amazing. It's true, Matt. You really do know everything.
Thanks, Matt!
I'm really glad your hiccups went away.
Tayo,
Huh?
I have something to tell you.
Oh, what is it?
I'm sorry, Tayo. I'm the one that drank all the new engine oil, even yours.
Rogi?
I'm sorry. The hiccups must have been punishment for my greed.
Oh, wow! That means that Matt was right.
You'll start hiccuping when you eat something in secret.
Tayo, aren't you mad at me?
It's okay. No matter how it started, you told me the truth in the end. And you know what, Rogi? I know I can always find new engine oil, but I think it would be pretty hard to find another good friend like you.
Tayo!
You must be the closest of friends.
So, how was the engine oil?
Rogi is deeply grateful for Tayo's help. I have a feeling they've become even closer than before.
Our new friend, Gani.
You can come down now.
Okay. Whoa, whoa! Wow, I feel great now.
Good.
Thanks a lot, Hannah. Gotta go now. See you soon.
Okay, bye.
Hello. How are you, Hana?
Oh, hi, Rookie. Hi, Pat.
Huh?
What?
Oh, it's nothing. I came to give you back the toolbox I borrowed.
Oh, thanks.
Thanks a lot. It was really helpful. What's that picture?
Oh, this?
I don't recognize him.
Oh, his name is Wendy.
How come I've never seen him here in the garage?
Oh, he was scrapped last year. He worked for a very long time.
Ah.
A new bus that inherited Wendy's memory chip is coming in tomorrow, so I just thought of Wendy.
With his memory chip? Does that mean that the new bus is going to inherit all of Wendy's memories?
No, that won't be the case. The old memories have probably been deleted from the chip.
Oh.
Hey, Rookie, it's almost time to change shifts. Let's go.
Okay. Goodbye, Hana.
Bye, guys.
Who was it in the picture?
It was a bus named Wendy.
Wendy?
Do you know him?
Oh, of course. He had been around for a very long time, ever since Hana first came to the bus garage. He and Hana were very good friends. He was a hard-working, nice bus who just loved to help others, so everyone liked him. But he got too rusty after working so long, so he had to be scrapped last year.
Ah. By the way, what was that about his memory chip?
Oh, Hana felt sad to see Wendy go. So she kept Wendy's memory chip until not too long ago.
Wendy.
A new day has arrived.
Good
Wow, you're all up so early.
Yeah!
A new bus is coming to the garage today.
Huh? A new bus?
Mm-hmm.
Wow!
When's he coming?
Yeah, what color is he?
What's his name?
Whoa, guys, one at a time.
Hey, Hana!
Huh? There he comes. Sito!
Hi, you guys. Good, you're all here.
Hello,
Sito.
So, he's the new bus, and he'll be joining you guys today. Why don't you say hi?
Hi guys. My name is Gani.
Hello,
Gani.
I'm Tayo.
And I'm Rogi.
And my name is Lani.
It's nice to meet you.
Hi,
Oh, hello.
I'm Hana.
Hi, Hana.
Why don't you give him a tour of the garage?
I would, but I have to go to work now. Could one of you give him a tour instead?
Oh, me! I'll give him a tour.
All right, Tayo, you do it then.
Yay! Let's go, Gani.
Okay.
Tayo is delighted to have a new friend.
This over here is the car wash.
I see.
Let me show you how you can wash up. Follow me.
Oh, okay.
You have to go in this way. Watch me closely.
Okay.
What's going on?
What's wrong?
I don't know. I can't stop the machine.
Oh! Shut down the system.
Shutting down the system.
I'm safe. Did you stop the machine?
Uh-huh. You can command the machine to stop in an emergency.
Oh, that's right. I think Hannah told me that.
Are you okay?
Uh-huh. I'm okay. How embarrassing. I wanted to look cool. Let's move on to the charging station.
Okay.
Tayo, the little bus. This is where we get charged.
Oh, I see.
This time, I'll show you how to charge up. Watch and learn.
Okay.
Please move back.
Oh,
Please open the charging hole.
okay. Oh no, I farted. Oh no, I'll try again.
Charging initiated.
I'm so embarrassed. I made another mistake. See that? Now you try it.
Okay.
Charging is complete.
I bet he'll make a mistake too. Huh?
Charging initiated.
What is going on? It's his first time, but he's doing it perfectly. All finished?
Charging is complete.
Let's go to the training course.
Okay.
Huh? This is strange. It doesn't seem like Gani's new to this at all. And this is where we practice driving before we hit the road.
Ah.
After you finish up your training here, you'll be able to start working.
Okay.
Oh, I almost forgot. I've got to go to work now. Do you want to join me?
Can I really?
Of course. I'll show you the ropes. Follow me.
Okay. Huh? Wow.
Confusing, right? Everyone's like that at first.
Yeah.
I'll show them what I can do. Hey, you see that bus stop over there?
Uh-huh.
I'll show you how to pick up passengers at the bus stop. Let's go.
Okay.
You need to start slowing down here to stop precisely at the bus stop.
Tayo,
Huh?
I think you should slow down a little more.
What do you mean? This is the perfect speed. Watch closely.
Oh! Ah, my brand new suit is ruined.
Pants are all dirty now.
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
You have to be extra careful here. The rain makes a puddle at this bus stop.
Oh, right. It was rainy yesterday. Huh? But how did you know that, Gani?
I have no idea.
Huh? What Oh no! The road's under construction! I have to go through this place to get to the next stop!
Rogi!
Huh?
Oh, it's under construction.
Yeah. Tayo, do you know how to get to bus stop number 23?
I'm on my way there as well. But this is the only way I know.
Oh, what should we do? The passengers are all waiting.
Guys.
Huh?
I know another way around.
Really?
Really? How do you know?
Shut down the system.
Shutting down the system.
Tayo thought of all of the things Gani did at the garage.
The rain makes a puddle at this bus stop.
Rogi, let's just follow Gani's directions.
You sure?
Gani, please take the lead.
Okay.
Huh? How would Gani know the way when we don't even know it?
Let's just try following him.
Oh, I can't believe we're doing this. Gani can't guide us. This is his first time downtown.
Let's turn right here.
For some reason, Tayo felt like Gani could find the way.
Huh? Hey, Tayo, aren't you listening? Hey, wait for me! Gani, are you sure this is the right way?
Probably.
What? Tayo, Gani seems unsure of the directions.
Let's just trust him and see how it goes.
Let's go.
Okay.
Hey guys, wait up!
That's the bus stop, right?
Huh? He was right! How could this happen? Thanks a lot anyway, Gani.
How did you figure it out this time?
Well, I just feel like I've always known it.
Huh?
Hana!
Hi, Lani. You're back.
Where are the other guys?
Well, Rogi still has more shifts to run.
Oh.
But Tayo and Gani should be coming back soon.
Huh? Oh, there they are. Hello.
Hello.
Hi.
Welcome back.
Gani, did you have fun?
Yeah.
What is it?
Hey, Hana, I have something to tell you.
Huh? What is it?
Something strange about Gani.
Strange? How so?
He's new, but he does everything perfectly and knows everything.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Somehow he was able to guide Rogi and I when we almost got lost.
Really? Oh.
Can you do this?
Huh? Wow. Huh? Why can't I do that?
You know, Tayo, he seems like an ordinary bus to me, just like the rest of you.
Really? But something's different about him.
Huh? Gani, that's not how you do it.
The little buses have a new friend named Gani. So, is Gani really keeping a secret?
I want to go on a picnic.
It's the beginning of a new day.
Morning, Tayo!
Hi?
Da-da-da-da.
Where is Rogi going in such a hurry?
Where is he going so early? Well, let's go see. Rogi!
Yeah, just a second. That feels good.
Why are you up so early?
I've got places to go.
Like where?
Sorry, gotta go.
Oh, sheesh.
Commencing charging.
Rogi, aren't you going to tell me where you're going?
Actually, I'm going on a picnic with my friends.
A picnic? Wow! Sounds like fun. Can I go?
Well, don't you have to work? It's my day off today.
Oh, right, I forgot. Oh, you're so lucky.
Good morning.
Oh, morning!
You are fully charged.
I'm all set.
Oh.
I'll catch you guys later.
Where's that sleepyhead going so early?
It's his day off, so he's going on a picnic.
A picnic?
Oh, I want to go too.
Tayo is downtown, picking up passengers as usual.
Hi, Tayo.
Hello, Toto.
So is something wrong?
No, I'm okay.
Then why do you look so down?
Well, I want to go on a picnic.
A picnic?
Uh-huh. Rogi went on a picnic today.
Well, then you should go too.
Speedy!
Well, what's the problem? Go if you want to.
But I have to work today.
Then how about tomorrow? It'll be so fun with just the three of us.
Sounds good. It's my day off tomorrow.
Oh, wow, awesome! What about you?
Me? I don't think I can.
Tayo wants to go with them, but he has work tomorrow.
Aw, too bad. Toto and I'll have to go without you.
Oh, it would be nice if you could come.
Toto, so I'll see you in front of the museum at 12.
Okay, got it. So where do you want to go tomorrow,
I want to
Speedy?
go on a picnic tomorrow, too.
Why don't we drive along the riverside?
Great.
That night, Rogi told everyone about his picnic.
Right by the river. The breeze was so cool. It was great.
Oh, sounds like fun.
I'm sleepy.
Time for bed now.
Oh, I had no idea it was getting so late. Good night, guys.
Good night.
I really want to go on a picnic. There must be some way. Oh, that's it!
Tayo seems to have a plan. It's the next morning. Huh? What in the world is going on?
Tayo, what's the matter? Are you okay?
I feel sick.
What's going on? Hana! I think Tayo's sick!
I've got them all fooled.
How is he?
There's nothing wrong with him, but since he feels sick, I think it would be best if Tayo took the day off and stayed at the garage.
Perfect. It's going just as planned.
Then someone will need to take over his route today.
I'll take over his route today.
You, Gani?
Yeah, it's my day off anyway.
Gani? Oh,
We're counting on you, Gani.
Okay, no problem.
so it's Gani's day off today?
Don't worry about work and get some rest, Tayo, okay?
Okay, thanks, Gani.
See you later.
Gani's working instead of me.
Tayo, go rest in the garage and let me know if you feel any worse, okay?
Okay. Anybody here? I feel bad about Gani, but it's only for a day.
Oh! Tayo was pretending to be sick so he could go on a picnic.
What's taking him so long?
Toto!
Huh? Why are you so late?
Sorry, let's get going right away.
Wait up, guys!
Huh?
Tayo!
You're still here. Let me come with you.
I thought you said you had to work.
Well...
Great! The more the merrier, I say. We're gonna have a great time today. Are you ready? Off we go!
We're off! Taya, the little bus. Geronimo!
Isn't this refreshing?
Uh-huh. This really feels fantastic.
Huh? What's that?
Hey, there's a car in the middle of the road. Let's pull up and take a look.
We don't have time for that. Let's go!
Oh, but there's a chance he could be in trouble.
For crying out loud. Just for a minute then.
You could get hurt standing here like this.
Oh, I know that, but my engine died and I can't move.
Your engine?
What's wrong?
His engine broke down, and he just can't move.
What are you guys waiting for? We have to get going. Come on!
What should we do? Huh? Toto?
Well, we can't just leave him here alone.
Oh, thanks a lot.
Don't worry about it. Sorry, Speedy, but I'm gonna have to go.
What?
I have to take this car to the repair shop.
But you can't. It's your day off, Toto.
Still, it's my job to help cars that are in trouble.
Toto.
Well, what about the picnic?
Sorry, maybe next time. But you guys should go ahead and have fun.
Seeing how responsible Toto was made Tayo feel ashamed that he had skipped work. Gani is working hard in Tayo's place.
Watch your step.
Huh? Hey, Gani.
Huh? Hi, Nuri.
Isn't it your day off?
I'm working in Tayo's place because he's sick.
Oh, I see. You must be tired.
Oh, I'm okay. I just hope Tayo's feeling better. I'll see you later.
Okay, bye. I should visit Tayo. I didn't know he was sick.
Where did I put that screwdriver?
Hana!
Oh?
This fellow's having some problems.
Really? Can you bring him over here?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you. I'm sorry I ruined your day off.
It's no problem. It's what I do.
Thank you for all your help.
Huh? Was it really your day off? You're very responsible, Toto.
Thanks. I'll see you later.
Okay, you take care now.
Bye! I wonder if Tayo and Speedy are having a good time yet.
What should we do now?
Gani is using his day off to work instead of me.
I know! Oh, what is it? Did you come up with something fun?
Sorry, Speedy, but I have to go now.
What? You're leaving too?
Sorry, I'll see you later.
Tayo? Tayo! You can't just leave me all alone!
Okay, now try moving slowly.
Okay.
There.
Hana!
Nuri?
I heard Tayo's sick.
Yes, he's probably in his room getting some rest.
Oh, I'll go see how he's doing.
Okay. She must be worried about him. So, how do you feel now?
Much better, thank you. See you later.
Bye. I need a rest.
Hana!
Huh?
I can't find Tayo. I think he went out.
Really?
There aren't many passengers today.
Gani!
Tayo? What are you doing here? Do you feel better?
Uh-huh. I'm okay now. And I'm sorry.
You're sorry? For what?
I'm just sorry.
What are you sorry for?
Never mind. I'll just take it from here so you can go back and rest. Okay?
Huh? Oh. Well, all right, Tayo.
Welcome aboard!
What's gotten into him?
Where in the world could he be?
Hello, I'm back!
Why are you back already, Gani?
Well, Tayo suddenly showed up and told me I could come back to the garage.
He did?
He said he's feeling better now.
But still, he shouldn't have left without saying anything.
And he was acting a little strange.
How
How so?
I was just working his route because he was sick, but he kept apologizing to me.
Really?
Maybe he felt bad you had to fill in for him.
Maybe.
Welcome aboard!
You're full of energy. Aren't you tired from working?
Nope, I'm not tired at all.
You're a cheerful little bus.
Okay, off we go!
By watching Gani and Toto, Tayo realized that he should be responsible. You won't skip work anymore, will you, Tayo?
Nope.